G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. In this really quick video I'm going to give you a quick review of our 14 litre Kitchen Couture air fryer. As you can see there, that's the air fryer. It's a 14 litre unit, and basically I've got the power onto it at the moment. I love how the oven cooks, but we've got a problem. So we've got power. As you can see, there's nothing on the display. The power button's roughly around there, but it's not lit up. It should be lit up, but it's not at the moment. So if you press it, there you go. As you can see, we've got chips icon there. The meat icon was there, but that's not showing. It's burnt out. We had a roast chicken icon there, and we had a cake icon there, and the power button's there. They were all lit up when it was working, as you can see there. So there should be a power button there, and that turns everything on and off, as you can see. But it's not, actually the oven works, but the display's starting to burn out. There you go. So it's getting to the stage where a lot of things are burning out on it, and I can still operate the unit by roughly knowing where the buttons are, but it's going to get to the stage where I'll lose most of the buttons. I won't know how to turn the oven on. Now, for the way it cooks, it's bloody fantastic. I love the unit, but I'm actually going to call Woolworths, which is the online store that I purchased this 14 litre fryer later today, and to see if we can organise a replacement or some sort of refund and get another brand, because it's just, as you can see there, some of the lights aren't showing. So we've got, if I can point, there's one there, one there, three, and there was one down the bottom. So there's four at this stage that are burnt out. Yeah, so it's a bit of a shame, but hopefully we'll sort out a new oven. But yeah, so it's not too good. But maybe we just got a bad one. But the oven itself, it cooks really well. But then obviously you're going to need all the lights to operate it. Anyway, stay safe everyone. Take care and be good to each other. Bye bye.